Welcome back to my channel. Happy almost holidays. It's Hanukkah, but Christmas is in like 5 days, I think. I haven't taken Instagram pictures in such a long time. I want to do that. Like today I want to look really pretty. This video is sponsored by one of the best hair products out there on the market. And I'm really excited because I get to demo it for you, which means I also get to look my best for my future Instagram pictures that I'm going to be taking later tonight. So I want to do my hair and then I want to pick out an outfit with you guys. So I guess let's just get right into it. Yeah? Okay. This is the high-speed air dryer. You guys know like about the Dyson Airwrap and all that stuff. This is basically just another luxury glam hair product, styling product tool. Yeah, this is basically a fraction of the price of all of the other products that do the same exact thing, but they literally reached out to me and they're like, do you want to use our products? And I was like, yeah, I do. So I'm gonna do my hair with this. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. It's literally incredible. It's super innovative. It's super glamorous. I think that I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this with you guys. Should I just use scissors? Oh my gosh, it has some of the features on the top. It has the high-speed digital motor, the sensor temperature control, which basically means that it won't ever go past a certain temperature and it won't ever destroy your hair with heat. That's why this is like so incredible, because it doesn't really use heat. Like there's no heat damage with this product, which I really need. It's like the future of hair design, I would say. This is so futuristic. Look at that shine. I'm so excited about this. It can work on all different types of hair types, all different types of, like, if your hair is super damaged, if it's not super damaged, your hair is super curly, it's not super curly, it doesn't matter. It's gonna help your hair, it's gonna make it beautiful. This thing is so freaking cute. It looks like a little gun. Pew pew pew. And then I'm gonna shower, I'm gonna wet my hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little blow dry, see how it works, let you guys know if it's worth all the hype that it has created. And yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, I showered and I washed my hair, and now my hair is soaking wet. So let's put this bad boy to the test. This is the temperature. It only goes to 210 degrees. I love hair oil so much. And this is their ultralight formula, so it's not going to be too heavy. It's not going to make my hair greasy. I'm just going to go ahead and open the hair oil. Oh, stunning. I love that all of their products just look so high-end. Also, I do have tape-in extensions, and one of the problems with like using heat if you have tape-in extensions is that you have to avoid the tape, otherwise you will melt it into your hair and that will create a huge mess. So for someone like me that experiments a lot with different like hairstyles and different extensions and tape-ins and hair tinsel and just putting so much stuff in my hair all the time and hair dye, like it's really easy to damage your hair. So I'm really thankful right now that I'm working with this brand, because keeping your hair healthy and beautiful and like making it affordable to everyone is just something that I really believe in. So I'm really excited and I'm really thankful, and I really just want to get these knots out of my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the hair oil, basically just a little bit all over, and I like the nozzle. I like a good little pump. That smells really good. I really just focus on the middle to the ends. I have super long hair. I mean, you literally can't even see it because of how long it is. I think my hair is like maybe 20 inches long, I think, or more, I don't know. But I'm just really working it into the ends, in the middle. And then I'm also probably going to apply hair oil when I'm finished with the blowout, just to give it that shine. But considering that this product is ionized and that it has like a cooler effect and all that stuff, that's gonna give a natural shine to your hair regardless. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section it, and we're gonna see what it can do. And again, I put this attachment on, so I'm just gonna turn it on. Oh my god. And I only did it on the first fan effect. I'm gonna go ahead and do my whole head, and then I will come back and I will let you guys know if this is worth it. But so far, I think it's worth it. So I will be right back. My hair has literally never been this soft, this frizz-free. The cooling effect feels so good too. Oh my gosh, the hair oil makes it smell amazing. I cannot believe that this is a real thing. I'm speechless. This took me a few minutes. This took me less than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes for a blowout that has left my hair so shiny, so soft, so frizz-free, like the most beautiful. Absolutely incredible. I'm literally in shock right now because this just, my hair literally, like, it feels kind of cold in a good way. I didn't do any heat to it. It looks stunning. It looks longer than it's ever looked. It looks healthy. It smells so good from the oil. Oh my god, I need to pick out an outfit now to match my hair. That's how I feel. This looks so good. Wow, okay, so for outfits, I'm kind of stuck between two, so I'm gonna show you the two, and then in the comments let me know which outfit you guys think is best, and I'm gonna try to edit and post today so that you guys can comment so I know before I take Instagram pictures. But at the end of the day, I probably will just go with what I think looks best, but in general, I still do want your opinion. So let me show you guys my first choice. Okay, so my first choice is this bodysuit from Nudea, which I did a haul on in my last video. So this skirt plus, let me get the skirt that I'm thinking of putting over it. I'm thinking this silver bodysuit with this crystal skirt from Light in the Box, and then for shoes, either my like rhinestone pumps or white boots. So let me put it on and I'll show you guys, and you guys tell me what you think. Okay, so this is the bodysuit, and actually I'm thinking either my silver moon boots, or I just don't know what shoe to wear. But let me put the skirt on and then we can decide together about like what shoe should go on it. But the skirt is super cute, so I just want to put it like, oh, I have to do this in the mirror, hang on. But look how gorgeous the skirt is. Yay. Okay, so this is it with the skirt on, and I think it's kind of cute. I think it was cuter in my head, but I still feel like I could make this work for a picture. I really see everything. I like it. I think it's cute for an Instagram post. I don't know. It's like on the cusp of being cute and also not being cute. But I love the heels. These are my favorite. Ooh! These are my favorite part. Okay, so that's choice number one. Let me show you number two. Okay, the last, second and last outfit is this like mini snake print bodycon dress. And I would be wearing it with like thigh-high white pump boots. So let me try it on and I'll show you guys. And you guys let me know. I think this one will be better though. There we go. This is the dress, and then the back of the dress is all of these like, oops, crosses, cross strings and stuff like that. Pretty cute. And it's pretty short, but we love that. This is so cute. Also, like, I just love the back of this dress, but make this so cute. Okay, this is the one. This is the one for sure. Okay, if you guys watched all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much. I love you. All of my social medias are in the description box below, as well as all the information for the hair stuff that I used and everything like that, including my discount code. So go check it out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.